Yeah, he does have a little piece of bone down there. Huck's licking my face. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Wow, Hot Rod's playing with his little knuckle of a bone. You're such a good boy. You're so handsome. Did you hear that? Did you hear that bullet? That shot? You'll be hearing lots of it in another month when we get to Montana. Sneaking up from behind to get his brother's bone. Hey, you boys. Hey, you boys under there. Did you find your bone? Huh? Okay. Let's go get this on YouTube. Huck, here. And Hot Rod. My Hot Rod. My Hot Rod. Oh. That's my Hot Rod. That's my Hot Rod. Oh, you're such a good boy. Oh. You're such a good boy. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're my Hot Rod. I mean, you're my bingo. Yes, you are. You're my bingo boy. Yes, you're my bingo boy. Oh, yes, you are. You're my bingo boy. Oh, yeah. Bingo boy. Mr. Bingo. Mr. Bingo. Oh yeah, Hot Rod's got a little piece of hoof. We cut up some elk bones yesterday and fed them to the big dogs. And here's a little piece of elk hoof left over. Oh, yeah, I know, Hot Rod. I know you want the camera down, don't you? Oh, here, have your hoof. Have your hoof. Okay. Okay, here's your hoof. This is Hot Rod. This is Hot Rod with his hoof. You betcha. What a boy. What a boy. Okay. Okay, let's go get you up on YouTube. Oh, yep, there you go. You lost your hoof. I got it. Oh, I got a foot in the face. Oh, I'm laying down on the ground here with him. Oh, aren't you a boy? Okay. There's Hot Rod. There's Bingo. There's the little hoof. Oh, Bingo found the hoof that I threw over here. Hot Rod's getting a drink. He's going to be a water retriever. They both are. They're both stunning dogs. Okay, say goodbye. And their big daddy. Say goodbye, boys.